This is the harness for your 360-degree control unit brain, SKU52875. Compatible with any TadiBrothers 360-degree camera system, this is made with durable braided cables for longevity. Each socket is color-coded and marked for ease of use. Other than the 4 camera sockets, use the harness's USB socket to upgrade the firmware of your device. The harness is a total of 24 inches in length. Simple to mount and use, the harness was designed for the time-sensitive needs of our fleet customers with the durability you have come to expect from all TadiBrothers components. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!